Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix we are unable to process your request in Apple Developer. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're trying to enable Apple Developer, or you are trying to create your developer account, or you're trying to enable beta updates for your iPhone, so let's see how can you fix this type error. So the very first thing, you just have to connect with the different stable and strongest network connection, because it's nothing else, it's just a network issue which could be easily fixed by fixing your network. So the very first thing, just try to connect with the different stable and strongest network connection. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Once you're disconnected, just simply go back, go to language and region, select region and select your own region from here. Again, go back and go to date and time, enable this toggle set for date and time automatically. Go back, go to software update, and just try to update your software. You have to make sure that you're on the latest version. There's not any pending update for your software. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating your software, go back. You can also try to reset your network settings, or before you do that, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so just try to tap on this transfer reset icon. Select reset and select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this step, so you will not get the issue again. Once you have reset your network settings, you just have to go back and open your browser. Here, simply search for Apple Dev, or you can also search for Apple Developer. Just search for this, and here open the first website. You can use this install button to install Apple Developer app if you want to, or you can also use the website here. Just open Apple Developer, and on this screen you just have to try to log in with your account, or you can also tap on the two horizontal lines in the top left, then select account. And here on this screen you have to log in with your Apple account. If you don't have any Apple account, you can also try to create a new one by using this option from here. Or you can also use this sign in with passkey option to use your passkey to sign in. It might be your touch ID or your face ID or your iPhone passcode. So once you have done, your account will be created. It might be that you have to make some more steps from here, or as I have already created my account here, so I have already the option of beta update. Just go to your settings, and in settings you can try to relaunch your settings app. Just force close your apps, then go to settings, go to general, go to software update, and you might get beta updates option from here. Just select this and enable iOS developer beta from here. So after that, you might get all the developer beta updates. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're facing any issue in your creating your Apple developer account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.